One Jamaican man say, fi tell the woman them where I use the rose say. If in catch a rose, him a go pepper the rose. Because see him like how uno like KFC hot and spicy, him a go pepper a rose. Because the rose make some of the woman them no want no man. Them a say them have them rose and then can comfort themselves with them rose. So, society, I don't know what change some women that they don't want any man. See, nice young ladies, oh, they don't want any man because they have the rose. A story was told to me one day. A woman met a man on Facebook, went to Jamaica to seek out the man. They end up getting married. Before they get married, the man say, I have to sample the cake because him not drive no car. Him not buy no car. And him no know how to start it and him no know a car drive. So him decide say, him a go give the car a drive before him buy the car. Anyway, long story short, when them go at the hotel and them a go along with business, along with themselves, the woman take out one something out of one bag and give him. He say, what this? You don't know say one dildo. The woman take out and give man. The man say, oh, me nah use that. But through the man want come a foreign, the man decide say, yes, him a go married to the woman. So when them married now and the man come here now, you don't know say woman have one draw dildo. And she have this time where she invite women and then come and then play. But you know a Jamaican man no play them the game there. The real Jamaican man no play them the something there. Alright. Invite one woman over one night and decide say she a go have her way with the woman. The husband in her house. One other time, she decides say she a invite one other man with the husband. The husband said, no, me nah run them the joke there. So you see when these women attached to them tie, the man no have no chance with some of them because they get so addicted to this tie that even when they get a real man, they want to feel the feeling of the tie. So this tie take over that some of these women no want no man, them no want nobody. Them rather live alone with them tie. So the rose take the space of the gentleman. Yes. So that's the story for now. Please like this video. Please subscribe. Please share with a friend. Tell somebody. Please subscribe. Please get me to 1,000. Please. Thank you.